My name is Rick. I'm the lead painter and production manager at Zizzo Auto Body. I've been working in the shop for 44 years. I'm the one that paints these beautiful Ferraris and all these other cars here. I'm always interested in new products and trying them to see if they can make my job more productive and help me be more efficient. Yes, I did. Their paper lasts a little bit longer on my different tools, such as my DA. The wet sandpaper, what I really like about the wet sandpaper is it goes up to 5,000, which makes my polishing of the car and buffing the car a lot easier. Yeah, they make the things a lot more efficient. The 3,000 and the 5,000 in the third sheets, that's a pretty incredible product. It really helps in the final stages of buffing and polishing. It was a lot different. You used to have to put glue on a DA if you used a pad, and then you would smear it around on the paper and then stick the paper to it. After a while, the glue would get hard, the paper wouldn't come off anymore. You spend more time cleaning your DA than you did sanding on the car. It definitely is, and like the hook and loop system, it's a lot easier to take the sandpaper off and just throw a new piece on without having to change tools. Yeah, I really think Gator put a lot of thought and effort into the process of making their paper. One thing I like about the paper is durability. Less time walking back and forth trying to grab another sheet of sandpaper saves me time and saves the shop money. Yeah, I'd like everybody to try it. Anytime something new comes on to the market or something we haven't seen or tried before, it's always good to try to help your productivity. The paper loading up, which means it gets gummed up by some of the stuff you're sanding on, causes you to change sheets more frequently and use more sandpaper. It seems to hold up a lot better. As far as durability, the coarseness of the paper stays the same. It doesn't wear down as fast. Also with the wet sanding, like we talked about earlier, it's nice to have the different steps of the sandpaper going from 80 grit all the way to 5,000 grit in a wet sandpaper line is incredible. The 5,000 is really something new that I haven't tried before, and it really does save a lot of time with polishing and buffing. I'd like them to try it. Whenever something comes along that I haven't seen or tried before, I always want to try it once. Like I said, if it helps me be more efficient and more productive, it's something you should try.